the Yangwang U8, the Chinese all-electric super SUV.
China's BYD Yangwang U8 is turning heads as the world's first floating SUV. Priced around $50,000, it features a smart hydraulic suspension that can raise or lower the body by 150 millimeters, giving it incredible road presence and serious off-road confidence. One show-stopping feature is its tank turn, spinning 360 degrees in place for tight spots or dramatic entrances. When things get wet, the U8 can float in water up to 1 meter deep, or 1.5 meters in its off-road version. During floods or emergencies, it automatically activates a floating survival mode, sealing windows, opening the sunroof, turning on AC, and staying afloat for up to 30 minutes while moving at 3 kilometers per hour. It's not made for lake parties, and a service check is required afterward. But this SUV proves that innovation, safety, and adventure can ride together. China is shaping the future not only through technology, but through minds ready to master it. While much of the world still teaches basic subjects, China is training its children to become AI leaders from the start. In Beijing, every child aged 6 and above is now required to complete 8 hours of artificial intelligence education each school year. That's millions of young students learning to work with AI before they even learn full multiplication. To go further, the nation has chosen 184 schools to test advanced AI programs. When these kids reach adulthood, they'll drive innovations in technologies that today only exist in imagination. It sounds almost impossible, but China has turned it into reality. Remember when ordering a pizza meant waiting 30 to 45 minutes and hoping it stayed warm? Those days are over. China's new network of delivery drones can bring your food in just 15 minutes, accurate down to the exact minute. The company Muan has already completed over 300,000 deliveries, serving the equivalent of a medium-sized city. Each drone follows fixed routes and drops packages into secure boxes, removing the need for delivery workers. And believe it or not, the innovation reaches even further into the countryside. But China didn't stop there. They've built trains that don't even touch the ground. They float using powerful magnets. These incredible maglev trains recently hit 404 miles per hour in just 7 seconds, faster than most airplanes during takeoff. In advanced testing, one model even reached an astonishing 620 miles per hour, making it quicker than commercial jets cruising in the sky. With speeds like that, passengers could travel from Beijing to Shanghai in just 2.5 hours instead of 5.5. And if floating trains at 620 miles per hour already sound unbelievable, wait until you see what comes next. But here's the mind-blowing part. Shane isn't just a two-wheeled electric car, it's a self-balancing urban pod that can carry up to 5 passengers while gliding effortlessly on just 2 massive wheels. Tight turns? Easy. Parallel parking? No problem. Forget steering wheels. Shane balances itself, navigating the city like a hoverboard on steroids. Designed by Shane Chen, the hoverboard inventor, this concept is testing the limits of urban mobility, showing just how agile, compact, and futuristic city transportation can get. Imagine zipping through traffic in a car that feels like the future, because Shane is making it real. Meet the BYD Yangwang U9, a supercar that doesn't just drive, it dances. Priced around $236,000, this electric beast uses a wild Dissus X suspension that can jump 75 millimeters, hop over obstacles, and groove with music like it's partying on wheels. With 1,287 horsepower, it shakes its hips while launching like a rocket. And it's no gimmick. The system reacts in 40 milliseconds and lifts each wheel at 500 millimeters per second, faster than a blink. It's built to outrun Lamborghini, Ferrari, even million-dollar hypercars. BYD has already hit 10 million new energy vehicles, and now they're selling a dancing hypercar for half the price of its rivals. Honda is pushing the future of mobility with the Moto Compacto, a clever electric reboot of their iconic scooter from nearly 40 years ago. Launched in September 2023, this compact ride is designed for quick city trips, reaching speeds of up to 24 kilometers per hour and delivering about 19 kilometers of range per charge. Weighing just 18.7 kilograms, it folds neatly, making it easy to carry or store in tight spaces. A full charge takes only 3.5 hours, perfect for topping up during the workday. Riders can switch between speed modes using a simple button beneath the display, with the first mode limited to 16 kilometers per hour for safer cruising. The IM Motors L6 brings a whole new style to city driving, almost like it's dancing its way into tight parking spaces. Thanks to its advanced four-wheel steering system and independently controlled electric motors, this futuristic EV can smoothly shift sideways, making parallel parking feel effortless. It also helps reduce the space needed for parking by up to 11%, improving overall efficiency in crowded areas. With an incredibly tight turning circle of just 4.99 meters, the L6 can maneuver in places where most cars would struggle. This isn't just innovation, it's smart movement. EHang's EH216S stands as a pioneering, fully autonomous passenger eVTOL aircraft, designed to redefine short-distance urban travel. Featuring a dual-seat cabin, 16 electric rotors, and a lightweight carbon fiber structure, it delivers efficient, zero-emission flight. Capable of cruising at speeds up to 130 kilometers per hour, it offers rapid transport over congested city environments. Smart flight control systems handle navigation and safety automatically, requiring no pilot on board. With rigorous testing and advancing regulatory approvals, this innovative air taxi continues pushing aviation toward a futuristic sky commuting reality. During recent military drills with Cambodia, China's military unveiled a terrifying new weapon: a robot dog, equipped with an automatic rifle mounted on its back. This futuristic quadruped can move autonomously, navigate rough terrain, and engage targets, effectively turning man's best electronic friend into a fully operational killing machine. The demonstration shocked observers, highlighting how advanced robotics and AI are being militarized, raising serious questions about the future of warfare, ethics, and the use of autonomous weapons on the battlefield. China's new SkyTrain is transforming modern transportation with groundbreaking magnetic levitation technology. Running 33 feet above the ground, it glides smoothly through cities, completely avoiding road traffic and reducing noise to near silence. This system can carry up to 80 passengers at a time, combining comfort, speed, and efficiency in one futuristic design. Reaching an incredible 80 kilometers per hour, it stands among the fastest urban transport systems ever built. Controlled by advanced AI, it guarantees safe and reliable travel every day. Inspired by spacecraft design and built for our planet, the Biopod offers a sustainable and advanced farming solution. This innovative system is engineered for controlled environment agriculture, making it perfect for natural ingredient sourcing, maximizing crop yields, and ensuring consistent quality regardless of external conditions. More than just farming, the Biopod also serves critical roles in scientific research and bioconservation, providing a safe, predictable habitat for rare or vulnerable species, and facilitating complex biological studies. On the dusty plains of Utopia Planitia, a new explorer awakens beneath the soft glow of a rising Martian sun. Zhurong, named after China's ancient god of fire, rolls forward with courage and curiosity. Each turn of its wheels uncovers secrets hidden for billions of years. Frozen water beneath the surface, the whisper of past climates, the silent traces of what once might have been. Cameras scan the endless red horizon, while radar peers deep into the unknown below. Solar panels stretch outward, capturing life-giving energy in a world that offers so little. Against punishing winds and swirling dust, this determined rover continues its mission, proving that humanity's reach has grown wider than ever before. Imagine a vehicle that defies the traditional boundaries of transportation, a true master of both road and sky. Born from the ambition of the Guangzhou Automobile Group GAC, the GOVA flying electric vehicle, later branded as the Govy, is a groundbreaking mobility solution, not just another concept car. Its brilliance lies in a modular design where the passenger pod, a vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL craft, can detach from its wheeled electric chassis. One moment you're driving, the next you're ascending, leaving the autonomous chassis to simply drive itself away to a charging station. This sleek, two-seat eVTOL can lift straight into the air using 8 electric motors and glide across the sky at speeds up to 130 kilometers per hour, cruising above city traffic at low altitudes for quick urban hops. It can fly for around 35 minutes per charge, with smart, autonomous flight controls, carbon fiber construction, and built-in safety tech, like a whole aircraft parachute. The X2 isn't just a concept anymore. It has already completed public test flights over major cities in China, proving that XPeng is serious about revolutionizing transportation. With production planned for the near future, and prices expected far below most aircraft, the dream of owning a flying car is no longer impossible. The future of commuting, it's taking off. Abio Core was a groundbreaking, fully implantable artificial heart developed by Abiomed. Unlike previous devices, it required no external tubes or wires, drastically reducing infection risks and allowing patients more freedom and mobility. Weighing only 0.9 kilograms, it featured a hydraulic pumping system powered by an internal battery, which could be safely recharged through the skin using transcutaneous energy transfer TET. Approved by the FDA in 2006 under the humanitarian device exemption, AbioCore was designed for patients with end-stage biventricular heart failure who were ineligible for a heart transplant, marking a major milestone in artificial heart technology and paving the way for future innovations. Meet the XPeng Aero HD, a revolutionary eVTOL flying car that is changing how we think about transportation. This vehicle can drive on roads like a conventional car and take off vertically like a helicopter, making it perfect for urban mobility. Seating 2 passengers, it uses advanced electric vertical takeoff and landing technology to lift safely into the air, while AI-assisted controls ensure every flight is safe and reliable. With a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour and a flight range of 35 minutes, it demonstrates China's commitment to innovative and clean energy mobility. The XEgg R150 is China's answer to the future of smart farming. Designed as a fully autonomous field robot, it can perform multiple agricultural tasks with precision and efficiency. Equipped with AI navigation, obstacle detection, and a high-performance electric drive system, the R150 can spray crops, transport goods, and even monitor soil health. Its modular design allows farmers to switch tools easily, adapting to various field conditions. Operating on all-terrain wheels, it handles rough landscapes effortlessly. Built for sustainability and productivity, the XAG R150 represents a giant leap toward fully automated agriculture. Thanks for watching. China is changing the future, and this is just the beginning. If you love discovering groundbreaking technology, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Technology and Innovation. More amazing videos are on the way. Stay curious and stay futuristic.